ATYR stock analysis and price predictions for ATYR Pharma stock. Is it a buy or not? This is for Monday and onwards. I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video, especially with ATYR. Well, I wanted to see is a double break, and I got the double break happening there, and now the price should not be going anything lower than this SL, because if it does, then I'm recording it as a -1R. But pre-market is already up, so that's what I like to see, and it's going to be sitting exactly as it is. Now I'm waiting to see how this is going to turn out to be. The cost for the effect is good, you know, so I'm risking 1R to make 4. Very good. And ATYR, I also got about 3 receipts in the Discord right here. I mean, I'm just doing this on top of the idea that we've been pumping pretty nicely. We grabbed some liquidity, even got a double break. Yeah, the cost for the effect makes sense, checks out for me. It's obviously not financial advice, but if you want to stay tuned and get pre-money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated.